The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. This is Father Joel, and our gospel for today will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 18, verses 21 to 35. Have you ever felt too tired of forgiving those people who have hurt you? Not just once, not just twice, not just thrice, but many times. After forgiving them, they keep hurting you and keep repeating the same sins again and again. That was the question of the apostles. How many times shall we forgive? 7 times? But Jesus said, no, not just 7 times, but 70 times 7 times. Meaning, unlimited forgiveness. But isn't it that is already too much? Because, in other words, we might be allowing them to hurt us again and again and again. Is forgiving against justice? Our gospel is telling all of us, no. It is all about the genuineness of the person who will forgive. Forgiveness depends not so much on the person who have hurt us, but forgiveness basically depends on us who will forgive. Sometimes it's not about whether the person is deserving of our forgiveness or not. It's rather a question of whether we are willing to forgive. Forgiveness is coming from the disposition of the heart who would be willing to give chance on others. I know it is not easy to forgive because, as I have said, it always includes pain. It always includes the heart that has been betrayed. And it's not easy to repair a broken heart. But the gospel is teaching all of us. We will forgive because that is who we should be. Like our Lord. It is not easy, but it is not impossible. Because we just have to remind ourselves that we forgive because we are supposed to be the image of God. We are not setting aside justice here. But what we are saying here is, from the abundance of our heart, there shouldn't have any anger, bitterness. We deserve peace, all of us. We deserve to be ruled by peace and not by anger. And so when you find it difficult to forgive, just pray to God, Lord, teach me to forgive even if I am not ready. God bless.